Okay, that was really good food. So that's the place right there, the Vietnamese place. Just for some context, this is, you can look for this one right here, Travessa das, then that'll give you a reference point of where to find it at. So, okay, hope you enjoyed that one. And we're gonna go check out a temple. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this little place is a Vietnamese restaurant, so we're gonna kind of show you some other stuff. So I'll just kind of show you where we're at exactly. So I don't know what this one is, but it's kind of cool spot. This street is called Travessa das Galinholas. So anyways, we're here and we're gonna go check out this one. And there's Vietnamese on the menu, so it has Vietnamese pork chop buns kind of stuff, and you can see it in English as well, like pho, vermicelli, pork chop bun stuff, pork chop rice. Sorry, not pork chop bun. They do have buns as well, but anyways, you can see all this stuff, and you can stop and see if you want, and you can also do this QR code if you want and check it out. So this one is in Vietnamese, this one's in English, and they're both in Chinese. So let's go check out the food. We're just gonna step back a little bit, and we're getting more interested in this particular restaurant. So it does look pretty good. So let's go check it out. There's the menu. There's also some pretty cool stuff up on the walls too. Pho Hanoi, so kind of a Hanoi style. Different Hanoi stuff. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna get. There's Vietnamese noodles, vermicelli, and you can see it's in English and Vietnamese and Chinese too. So it's very foreign friendly. Vermicelli does look pretty good. Let's see. Sweet. Salads. Nice pictures, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one, Vietnamese pork chop. Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna get. So, okay. Oh, I'm ready. Hello. I'm gonna get this one. This one right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. So, Chinese calendar. Oh, okay. Coca-Cola. Got promotion stuff. Oh, looks good. From Macau? Yeah. The food is from. So we got our pork chop bun. So we got this is a nice little sauce that you can dip this into this, and it tastes amazing. A little bit of an egg thing. So okay, let's enjoy. And it's all for the price of 40 baht, which is about $5 American. Okay, that was really good food. So that's the place right there, the Vietnamese place. Just for some context, this is, you can look for this one right here, Travessa das, then that'll give you a reference point of where to find it at. So, okay, hope you enjoyed that one. And we're gonna go check out a temple.